guys, it's Charlotte here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a massive Lush unboxing with Valentine's Day coming up, which, you know, not going to be doing anything for that, that's for sure. But Lush released their Valentine's Day collection on February 1st, so it's in stores now and online, so if you want to go check it out. And I believe in here we have some of the Valentine's Day products, which, you know, like Lush knows what's up. I honestly feel so spoiled. I can't even thank you enough, Lush. Like, honestly, this is incredible. Mum was walking from the post office with these in her hands and I was like, stop it, Lush. Like, stop it. Like, you are insane. Like, what? If you haven't seen my last Lush video, I'll link that down below, and I'm so incredibly excited to look at them. We have a little package here, but this is extremely heavy, which is quite confusing because it's so little. And then we have this, which, look, it has a sticker and it says, "We Lush you." We are just gonna get right into opening this. I can't hold off opening it anymore. Okay, seriously, some major self-control though, like waiting a few days to open this. I was like, every day it's sitting on my floor, I'm like, yes. Can I open it now? Starting off with this box. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. It literally smells so good. My mum is gonna come and sit with me because she wants to see what's in this box so much. Do you want to see?
Yeah.
You're gonna get this everywhere. Wait. There's just... What am I gonna do with all this? I can't get it out. I'm just gonna like, have to like... Oh my gosh. Oh, plates. Oh my god, that's so cute. It's like a little... Oh, it has a little Lush logo on the back. How cute is that? That's adorable. How cute is that? That is adorable. That is so cute. How amazing is this packaging? It's so pretty. It's got like gold and sparkly. So we have the Lush Pride booklet in it, and then the Valentine's Day hop onto our love boat. That's so cute. I don't want to cut it, but like, I can't get it out. I have to cut this open. That hurt my heart a little bit. Okay, here's the box. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's got all the products in there. That's so cute. The first thing in here is the Sex Bomb Bath Bomb. This is a Lush fave of mine. I've had this so many times. It smells so good. And it has a really cute little rose inside of it, and the colours are of course beautiful. Next item is the Rose Bombshell Bath Bomb. It smells exactly like the Rose Jam, which is like one of my absolute favourites. So I think Rose Lush scents are just always the best. Next is a soap. Whoa, it's all like squishy. This is the Tunnel of Love soap. It's so cute. Whoa, it smells so good. It actually smells so good. It's like pink here with the white love heart, which is like love tunnel, you know. Next is, oh my god, this is one of the naked shower gels. So pretty much Lush challenged themselves this year to try and reduce packaging. So they made naked versions of all their shower gels with like without packaging. So it's just like a solid shower gel. This one is the Tender is the Night Naked Shower Cream. Oh, it smells really good too. It's like, I'm gonna open it. It's really like slippery, here we go. And it's just like a bottle version, but like a solid version. How cool is that? And it has like the little lid and everything. Oh, that smells so good. And you just like wet it and like lather on your skin. So it's pretty much the exact same, but just like solid. Next we have, oh my god. It's my all-time fave, Unicorn Horn Bubble Bar. I remember like 2 years ago, I searched high and low for this bubble bar and I could not find it anywhere, and I was actually devastated. So I finally have one. This is just such a gorgeous bubble bar, like unicorn horn, like obviously beautiful, and it's sparkly and glittery. And you just like run it under your bath and it'll create bubbles. Next we have, oh, this is a tub. Oh my god, it's the Rose Argan Body Conditioner. I remember I got this when I first started like collecting Lush, I'd say. And it's just a body conditioner. Oh, so this is a self-preserving version. So it's just like a body conditioner you put on in the shower. This scent literally reminds me of my first Lush experiences. I got it in a Christmas gift box and I was so excited. And I think I may still have the packaging of it. But yeah, that's just the Rose Argan. Next, oh, what is this? It's gone a little bit squishy. This is the Heart of Enlightened Expectations. And this is a bubble bar bath melt, I think. So I think it actually creates bubbles as well as being a bath melt. And it's a heart, but it's melted a little bit and not porous, that's fine. But I'll show you what it looks like here. So it's just like a red, it's just an orange love heart with a white top. And it smells really, really good. I have another pot. Oh my god, it's the Rub 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 Shower Scrub. My ultimate fave. Oh, it's just like a really good exfoliant. I use it before I tan. I had like a massive one of them, but I went completely through it. So this is going to be perfect, so you know I can get nice and exfoliated before I tan. And last but not least, we have the absolute OG, the Creamy Candy Bubble Bar. This was always my absolute favorite because it smells just like Snow Fairy. So like you can get Snow Fairy all year round in this. It's just such like a candy scent, like pure like fairy floss and bubble gum. And it's a bubble bar, so it makes bubbles. And it's so pretty. It's like pink with a little flower in the middle. This gift box is actually available to purchase in the Valentine's Day collection. It's called the Lots of Love gift box, and it's such a nice gift. So, you know, if you have special someone to give gifts to, this would be perfect. I also have a little package here, which I'm gonna open right up. I actually have no idea what's in this whatsoever. Oh my gosh. It's a giant rose bombshell. Oh my god. I saw this on their Instagram and I was like, whoa. It is literally a giant rose bombshell. Oh my gosh. I want to get it out. Look at this. This is literally the size of my face. This is so cool. Oh my, I actually am so excited for this. I don't think I've ever seen such a massive bath bomb in my life. It is honestly so perfect. Like, look at that. I'm actually in shock. Like, that is insane. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you go check out Lush's Valentine's Day collection and, you know, hint to your special somebody if, you know, you want something Valentine's Day. Lush might be a bit perfect. Thank you so much to Lush. You guys absolutely spoil me. This is honestly incredible. I'm so excited and I love you guys. You're all just amazing. Thank you so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you go check out Lush. I'll leave the link to their website down below and go to your local store because, you know, Lush employees are always the best. So I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see all your beautiful faces in the next one. Love you. Bye guys.